If you want the ultimate gaming experience, a powerful desktop PC is still the best option. With modern GPUs, advanced cooling, and serious processing power, today's gaming PCs can handle anything from esports titles to demanding 8AA games. Here are 5 of the best gaming PCs you should check out in 2026. The HP Omen 35L is designed for gamers who want strong performance combined with a sleek, modern gaming setup. The system features a spacious 35-liter case that improves airflow and keeps internal components cool even during extended gaming sessions. Inside, it supports powerful processors and modern GPUs that can handle high-resolution gaming, competitive esports titles, and demanding AAA games without struggling. Another highlight of the Omen 35L is its clean design and upgrade flexibility. The case includes customizable RGB lighting and a transparent side panel that lets you show off your hardware. HP also designed the system with easy upgrades in mind, allowing gamers to swap components like storage, memory, or graphics cards in the future. For players who want a reliable pre-built gaming PC that combines performance, cooling, and stylish design, the Omen 35L is a strong option. The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is built for consistent gaming performance and dependable hardware stability. Lenovo focuses heavily on cooling and airflow in the Legion series, which helps maintain stable frame rates even when running demanding games for long periods. The system is capable of handling modern titles smoothly while also supporting streaming, multitasking, and content creation. The tower design is practical and gamer-focused, with optimized ventilation and a layout that keeps components running efficiently. The Legion Tower 5i also includes fast storage and memory configurations that help games load quickly and run smoothly. For gamers looking for a balanced system that delivers reliable gaming performance without unnecessary complexity, the Legion Tower 5i is a very solid choice. The Corsair Vengeance. A 7500 is designed for gamers who want premium components and top-tier performance. Corsair is known for using high-quality parts in its systems, including powerful GPUs, fast DDR5 memory, and advanced cooling solutions that keep temperatures under control during heavy gaming workloads. This PC is especially appealing for gamers who also create content or stream. The powerful hardware can handle demanding tasks like video editing, high refresh rate gaming, and multitasking with ease. The system also features Corsair's signature RGB lighting and clean internal cable management, which gives the PC a polished look. For players who want a powerful gaming system with premium build quality and excellent performance, the Vengeance A7500 is a standout option. The Alienware Area-51 is built for serious gaming enthusiasts who want maximum performance and futuristic design. Alienware systems are known for pushing hardware to its limits, and the Area-51 continues that tradition with support for powerful processors and high-end graphics cards capable of handling the latest AAA games at high settings. Cooling is another major focus of this system. The case design is engineered to maintain efficient airflow, helping keep the system stable during long gaming sessions or heavy workloads. The bold Alienware design also gives the PC a distinctive look that stands out in gaming setups. For gamers who want a high-performance desktop designed for extreme gaming and premium aesthetics, the Area-51 is one of the most powerful options available. The Minisforum AtomMan G7 PT offers something unique by delivering powerful gaming performance in a surprisingly compact design. Unlike traditional gaming towers, this system packs strong hardware into a smaller desktop form factor, making it perfect for gamers who want a powerful PC without taking up too much desk space. Despite its size, the AtomMan G7 PT is capable of running many modern games smoothly, thanks to its powerful internal components. It's also a great option for minimal setups or small workspaces where a large tower might not be practical. For gamers looking for a compact gaming PC that still delivers serious performance, the AtomMan G7 PT proves that powerful gaming doesn't always require a huge desktop. So those were 5 of the best gaming PCs in 2026, offering everything from powerful full-size gaming towers to compact performance machines. Whether you're looking for a premium high-end system or a space-saving gaming desktop, these PCs can handle modern games with ease. If any of these systems caught your interest, check the links in the description below. And if you enjoy gaming tech videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.